Good evening students, welcome back to another series of Sankalp. Today we'll be having class of English. In this class we'll be discussing some idioms and phrasal verbs. So as you all know, today is Tuesday, so it is English turn. Please focus on the lecture because today's lecture is really very important, okay? Students, if you have not joined the live classes yet, please do join them. The classes are already running. If you are seriously preparing for your exams, join the classes today itself. You can call on the numbers given below. A very good news for students who are preparing for RIMC. The school has started Foundation Batch 2.0 from 13th of June. If you are preparing for RIMC 2022 exam, please enroll yourself in this batch as soon as possible. This is the first question of today's class. Given below are idioms. Choose the option which best expresses its meaning. First idiom is call a spade a spade. What is the meaning of this idiom? The meaning is speak plainly and directly. ठीक है, किसी को directly कुछ बोलना is known as call a spade a spade. Moving on to next, call off. What is the meaning of call off? Call off means to cancel. Meaning of call off is to cancel, right? Coming back to the third point, to eat humble pie. To eat humble pie means to apologize humbly. किसी से प्यार से माफी मांगना is known as to eat humble pie. Moving on to the fourth, with open arms. With open arms, what is the meaning of with open arms? With a warm welcome. You are treating somebody with open arms means you are welcoming that person with open arms. बहुत warmly आप welcome कर रहे हो किसी का. Through thick and thin. Through thick and thin, what is the meaning of this idiom? Through thick and thin means under all conditions. You have become his friend. You have to help him through his thick and thin. Means under all conditions you have to help that person out. Okay? In his good times, in his bad times, you have to help them person in every situation. Okay students, a very good news for all of you. If you are finding it difficult to attend physical class, online classes, Geometry School has started physical classes through its hostel facilities. In the slide you can see the view, a complete view of our hostel facilities. The best part of this is that we are not charging you the amount in bulk, but will be charging you 10,000 per month. ठीक है? You will be staying here, you will get everything, you will have a proper atmosphere of learning. So if you want to join the batch, please do join them. Admissions are already open. Don't get late because the exam is on 3rd of December 2022. So you have to hurry up for taking the admissions. Now next we come about fill in the blanks with suitable phrasal verbs. Very important if I talk about with respect to RIMC every year. In every session of its exam, RIMC used to give 5 phrasal verbs of 1 mark each. Straight away you will be getting 5 marks, and there are also certain questions which are also repeated. So if you focus, you will get at least 5 marks in your English RIMC, right? First question, it is wise to dash some amount for your higher studies. It is wise to dash some amount for your higher studies. Set about means, what is the meaning of set about? Who will tell me? Please write it in the comment box, the meaning of set about. Set about means to start doing something with determination. With determination. And what do you mean by set aside? Set aside means to keep something aside, right? So what will be the suitable answer? The suitable answer to this question is set aside some amount for her higher studies, right? Moving on to the next question. Why dash conclusion so early? Why dash conclusions so early? The meaning of jump to, what is the meaning of jump to? Jump to means to move or reach quickly. This is the meaning of jump to, and jump at means to accept an opportunity. Please take the screenshot so that you will have the meanings ready with you to accept any opportunity. So if you look at the meaning, which will be the right answer? The right answer is jump to. Okay. Talking about the third. Okay students, again I am reminding you, if you have not joined the live classes, please do join them. The classes are running for RIMC, RMS and AIS, SSEE, JNV and various other exams. You can call on the numbers which are given below in order to know more details. You can also website the visit of the school. You can also download the app from the Play Store. Please do it as fast as you can because you are short of time. The next question of today's class. The craze for electronic gadgets will not dash so soon. The craze for electronic gadgets will not dash so soon. I will write the meanings first. Die down means to become less strong. And what do you mean by die off? Die off means to die one by one until no one is left. Right? So die down means to become less strong and die off means to die one by one until no one is left. So what is the right answer? The craze for electronic gadgets will not die down so soon. Die down means कम नहीं होगा. Moving on to the next question. The manager dashed the guards for their carelessness. The manager dashed the guards for their carelessness. First of all, I will tell you the meaning. What is the meaning of pulled up? Pulled up means to criticize someone. To criticize someone for doing wrong. कुछ गलत काम करने के लिए किसी को क्रिटिसाइज करना. एंड पुल्ड इन मीन्स टू टेक समवन इनटू पुलिस कस्टडी. टू टेक समवन इनटू पुलिस कस्टडी फॉर punishment. Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. So according to the options, which option is correct? Pulled up. मतलब the managers has criticized its guards for their carelessness. Right? Moving on to next question. She has dashed her mother, especially her eyes. She has dashed her mother, especially her eyes. Taken after means resembles someone. किसी की तरह लगना. Resembles someone. And what do you mean by taken to? Taken to means begin the habit of doing something. Begin the habit of doing something. Please take the screenshot, students. So among between these two, which is the right answer? She has taken after her mother, especially her eyes. Means वो अपनी mother की जैसे लगती है. Especially eyes से जब हम उसको देखें तो she resembles her mother, right? Students, if you have not subscribed Geometry School channel, do subscribe it and hit this bell icon to receive all the important notifications. As soon as you hit this icon, you will be notified regarding each and every important information which is relevant for you. Till then, thank you for watching the video. Keep practicing and keep learning and wait for the next Sankalp series. Take care students and good evening.